Hi guys, my name is Alex and today I just wanted to show you guys a new product that I absolutely am loving. Take the white cord with the two connectors at the end and you're going to take the side with no prongs. Then you're going to grab your LED strip and you're going to grab the side with the prongs and then you're just going to connect those. Just like so. Then you're going to take your Wi-Fi connector that works with this remote and you're going to plug this into that. Then you're going to take your adapter and you're going to take the tie off. And you're going to connect this part with this part. Next you're going to take your adapter and you're going to take its power cord and you're going to insert this end into right here. Just like that. And then you're ready to plug it in. So now that we have it all plugged in, you're going to go ahead and take your remote and you're going to press the on button. And they automatically turn on. Then you can change the modes on them, so if you want just solid red, or if you want green, or blue. Alright guys, so first this has double-sided sticky tape, so you're just going to peel the white down and make sure that it's still sticky. Then I am going to put the LED lights around my headboard. So I'm going to start by putting it down here, and I'm going to go all the way up the sides. And then I'm also going to go just right here and then on the opposite side as well. So I'll show you guys the end result. Please keep watching. Alright guys, so we got it all set up and I just kind of wanted to show you the different colors that they have. We're going to go to your Magic Home app. Your device is going to load after you connect it to your Wi-Fi. So you can choose your color and then you can brighten them or dim them. You can just go through all of these functions. You can also go to your music and you can just play a song and the lights go with the music. So that's it, you guys. It's very simple to install these lights and they look amazing. They're so fun and I absolutely love them. I would definitely recommend you guys go check them out. I absolutely love them. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.